What is up, everyone? Welcome to another vlog. I don't remember what, oh, the last time I vlogged was what is it called, the bridal shower? Whatever.
You didn't post that.
I haven't edited, it was last weekend.
Christmas you edited.
It's edited, I just need to make some edits. Anyway, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. We are in New York City, which we haven't been here in a long time because of me, yeah, because I've been having panic attacks. I'm gonna show them the view. Let me do a room tour first. So I just did some few clips in the front because I want to be aesthetic, but yeah, welcome back. We're starting off a new vlog. We're here for Nate's cousin's wedding. That's gonna be super exciting. We have a lot of fun stuff coming up over the summer, and I want to start off with a room tour. It's pretty much what you see. Basically, we walk in. On the left is a bathroom. What is this called? Hotel Indigo? No.
Yeah.
The bathroom is really cute. The floor is adorable. Actually, like, the amount of mirrors, the fact that we don't have to fight over the mirrors is amazing to me. What the fuck? Where's the shower head? Oh, that's the shower head. That's nice. And it has a top one. I feel like I'm in a spa.
Oh, cool.
I literally feel like I'm in a spa with this.
There's no over there. It's only an over.
No, look. That's a shower head.
I know, but it's just a...
Don't get in the shower with shoes.
I think it's just...
It's a shower head. This is the closet. It's really spacious. Has a full-length mirror, which is really nice because I don't know what I'm wearing yet. And we got the king bed because we fight over bed space. This really cute photo there, but the view is the best part. We got the city view room just because the indoor lighting, I mean the natural lighting is really nice.
Can you show them the view?
Yeah, that's the
nice
room
view.
tour.
It's kind of cool.
Yeah, it's a nice view.
Lower East Side. Look, you can see the Freedom Tower from here.
We're kind of far. We don't really have plans just because it's gonna be a chill weekend. Usually when we come to the city, we're like, go, but...
Yeah, we have no plans.
My anxiety...
Well, there's a few places I want to go to.
He has a list. It's old school.
Damn. Printed out all the places I want to go to. Pause it. And
Did he discuss this with me? Absolutely not.
Well, I highlighted the ones that I think you would prefer to go to.
Yeah, I have nothing else to say, but...
I think we should go to International Center of Photography today.
Okay.
Right now.
I'm gonna unpack and lay my clothes out,
Yeah,
probably
go do
steam
that.
them, take a nap, and then we're gonna go. I forgot to vlog, but where is it? Zazzy's? Where's Zazzy's?
It's a good slogan.
It's really fucking good. They just took some pictures. Do you have to move your other,
It's okay.
your bag? It's gonna get wet. All your cameras are in there.
There's nothing in there. It's okay.
Oh. And we were going to go to the ICP, what is it? The International Center of Photography. But of course, they're changing exhibitions. Oh my God, you guys are getting wet. But good thing is that we're right across from Essex Market. So we're gonna stop in and check it out. How do I zoom out? Oh my God, you guys are getting so People are looking at me. Oh, my camera's wet. We got some essentials in that bag, and I'll do a haul. When we get to the room, you're gonna die. This is the outfit for tonight. I'm just wearing trousers from Aritzia, the Zara leather blazer, and then an Aritzia like crop. Nate, what are you wearing?
Pants.
Okay, whatever. And I have some stuff that I need to put in my bag, but we're going out. Late night Cat's Deli run. I don't know, I just want pizza, but he wants a sandwich. It's not the vibe. Guys, it's the next day, but it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and I've been way too hungover to function. So, here I am. I took a shower, I washed my hair, obviously it's wet. And now I'm gonna start getting ready for the wedding. Basically what you saw last night, they had like a cocktail hour, like a pre-wedding cocktail hour. We went to Ren for the happy hour. Then once we were done at Ren, a bunch of people from the party just went over to another bar. So we stayed out there for a while. It was a little crazy. And now I got out of bed to get ready to go to the wedding. I do need to finish getting ready, so I'm just gonna do my hair, at least blow dry it, and then I'll figure out if I want to wear it up, down, straight, curly, because I'm wearing it in like a one shoulder dress. But so I forgot to vlog, but we're at the wedding now. I want to be at the hat. It won't focus.
Okay, good.
Say hi in the video. haven't vlogged, but hi. We're going to a bar for an after party. I'm also wearing heels and socks, so that's great. Where are they? Oh, is it right here? We're just following the bride at this point. Whatever she does, we do. Look at her. Her fucking wedding dress. Around New York City. She's living her best life. So again, it's the next morning and I forgot to vlog and I'm not okay, but my eyebrows look crazy. We're checking out of the hotel. It's actually a nice day today, which is kind of sad that we have to leave when it's so nice. My face is so swollen.
Orange juice smells like pickles.
Well, it's gonna because it was in a fridge with a ton of pickles. Like, look at how nice it looks out today. And of course, we're leaving.
It's cold though.
It is. It's so sad. But it's the end of an era. We're gonna go get coffee.
Just leaving.
Oh, never mind. So I guess we're leaving, but
Grand Central, we can get something.
I'll bring you guys around whatever we do.
We can walk around Grand Central for a little bit.
Yep. All right. Bye. Okay, fun fact. We didn't end up doing anything. We just got on the train and we are on our way home. We're exhausted, but what the fuck? What is wrong with you?
I was just trying to do like fake things.
I guess we'll end up the vlog here.